laser nozzles. Interesting thing, you get very dirty. So, how do you clean this nozzle from the debris on it? There are multiple ways to clean it. And you just have to watch out because we're dealing with electronics here. So one way you can do it is using 99% isopropanol. Now you may say, I wouldn't do that if I was you. It's just metal, so I don't really care. I mean, to clean your electronics with isopropyl, as long as it's not plastic and as long as it's not got a coating on, it should be fine. As you can see, it does the job, but not really that good. So, what I discovered is, I use this stuff a lot. Some use different brand, I use this one. And what is inside, well, let's see. Some different things. You can go and look it up if you want, but basically if you put a little bit of this on here, there you go, and clean the nozzle, then it will clean it very, very nicely. And what you can do after that is you can clean it with the isopropanol to clean off this extra residues that are on there. As you can see, it cleans it pretty well. Doesn't matter from where you do it, how you do it. If you do it there, it takes it off straight away, nice and clean. Yeah, that's a tip for cleaning debris on the diode laser nozzles. You can use the other side to clean it up, so the e-balance side. And then just leave it, or put it like in the oven on 40 degrees, maybe 30, 20 minutes. It'll be good to go. Don't have to, just if you want to.